students. Today, inshallah, we have a new sound. Okay, so our learning objectives for today, we are going to identify a new sound. Then we are going to recognize the sound. Where is the sound? You are going to make a circle. Then you are going to write the sound in 4 lines. Then we are going to blend and segment sound to read a word. Okay, let's start with this game. Okay, what is it? Very good. Can you do the action? Very good. Excellent. What about this? For fish. What is it? Sh for shark. Yes. Again for mouse. What's this? And very good. For 3 and this. Very good. Okay, my students. Now, let's read this word. Rug. Very good. The second one. Pot. Excellent. Okay, now let's introduce the new sound for you for today. Listen to the story. Look at this picture. One day, Dawood and his dad. Okay, Dawood, his dad, and his brother and sister, Dana, went to the park. Dawood said to his dad, "Daddy, can I use this shovel and dig here?" His dad said, "It's okay, my little boy." Dana said to his dad, "Daddy, look, I drew a duck." Her dad said to her, "Wow, it's very beautiful." The little boy said to his dad, "Daddy, may I play with these toys in the toys box? We have here doll and drum. I want to play with the drum." His dad said, "Ask your sister Dana." Here we have the sound D. Yeah, we have dig, dad, duck, doll, drum, dot. Okay, now listen to this word and repeat.
Unit 4, recording 4.13.
Before listening to these words, I want you to look at the action. Okay, now listen.
Unit 4, recording 4.13. Look, listen, and repeat. Dig.
Dig.
Dot.
Dot.
Dad.
Dad.
Duck.
Duck.
Doll.
Doll.
Drum.
Drum. Okay, now listen and chant.
4, recording 4.14. Listen and chant. Unit 4, recording 4.14. Listen and chant.
my students, it's your turn. You are gonna to
Recording
chant.
4.15. Now you chant.
Together. Da, dig. Da, da, dot. Da, da, dad. Da, da, duck. Da, da, doll. Da, da, drum. Okay, so today we have the sound D. We have the sound D, my students. Dig, dad, duck, doll, drum, dot. Okay? Now, my students, let's move. Here, task number 3, we are going to listen and repeat circle D. So what we have here? Dig. Very good, huh? Dot. Excellent. What can you see? What's this? Doll, huh? Drum. Very good. Now listen to these words and circle the sound D.
Unit 4. Recording 4.16. Listen and repeat. Circle D. 1. Dig.
Dig.
2. Dot.
Dot. So where's the sound D?
3.
Here.
Doll.
Doll.
4. Drum.
Okay, so this is the sound D. Very good. Dig, dot, doll, drum. Excellent. Now let's move to writing the sound in 4 lines. How can we write the sound D? Is it in this area, in giraffe, or tortoise, or monkey? Yeah, very good. Here. So we will start with, from this dot, round, up, up, then down, down, flick, D. Okay? Now in your book, you are gonna to trace and copy. Here, you will start from this dot like this, round, then up, up, down, down, flick. Okay? Here, task number 5, you are going to listen and repeat, look and write. What can you see here? What is it? Duck, very good. What about this? Who's this? Dad, very good. Now listen to these words, then write the words on stave, okay?
Unit 4. Recording 4.17. Listen and repeat. Look and write. 1. Duck. 2. Dad.
Okay, so here we are going to write duck, and then for picture number 2, what is it, my students? Dad, very good. So you are going to write dad here. Round, up, down, flick. And then we are going to write a like this. Okay, then da again. Round, up, down, flick. Okay, my students? Now, look here. Listen, match, and say. Can you read these sounds? D, O, T. Very good. So, read the word now. Dot. So, we are going to match it with the word dot. Then, we are going to match it with the picture. This is dot. Okay? Now, listen to these words. To these sounds, match it with the correct words, then match it with the correct picture, okay? Listen.
Unit 4, recording 4.18. Listen, match and say. 1. D. O. T. dot. 2. D, I, G, dig. 3. D, A, D, dad.
So this is dad, and here is the picture. Okay, now my students, let's play this game. What is behind these cards? Okay, let's see what is it. Yes? Oh, just a minute. Okay. What is it? Okay, not this one. I have finished from this. Okay. My students, what is it? Yes? Dot. Very good. So this is dot. Now let's see. What about this? What he's doing? Dig. Very good. So this is dig. So that's all for today. Goodbye.